Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 guys, generation 2012 to 2013, and we'll show you where to find the relay for the heater blower motor. Now in the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We're trying to save you as much money as we can, and that's why we created this channel, so please subscribe. Now if your heater blower motor doesn't work, okay, let me go inside. There is one fuse and one relay that you need to check. We'll have the video for the fuse on our channel, but today we'll show you the relay. So if the fan doesn't work at all, check that relay guys. It could be your problem. So what we have to do now, okay, we have to open the hood, okay, and once you open the hood guys, you need to locate the fuse box, okay, which is located right here next to the car battery. In order to remove the cover, there is one thing you press in and pull up. Then there is two clips on the front, move it a little bit. Okay, sometimes it will be stuck like that. And if you switch that fuse box this way, that layout will correspond to the layout here. So we need to locate relay number 13. And in front of the number you're going to have R. R stands for relay. F is for fuse. So do not confuse F and R. We need to locate R13. This is for the blower motor. Now this one will be R13 relay here. And this one guys, okay, it's a little bit of a complicated way to remove those. Some people are able to, like this one you can pull it with your fingers, but this one is super tight and not enough room. So you have two options, okay, whether to grab this one, okay, this is for the AC coach, and pull it out that way, and later try to grab this one and remove it, or you need to pry it with screwdrivers. But I'll just see if I can do it with my fingers. Yep, okay, that way. Otherwise you will not be able to access it. So this is guys, okay, the relay here. We have the new relay where we get our parts from, and all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Let me get the new one quick. Okay, this is the brand new relay, Ford Motor Company relay again, and all we have to do, just make sure, okay, that you push it in, okay, and all the way perfect in, and don't forget to install this guy as well, the one that we removed earlier. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos, and see you guys next time.